This how to 1 minute will show you how to add FAQ schema in WordPress. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to add FAQ schema in your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. And in the search plugins box type here FAQ. Then you have to install this plugin accordion FAQ. So install and activate this plugin. Once done, I'm going to creating a new page for FAQ and giving the page title FAQ, and now click on add block and in the search box type FAQ and add this block. Once the block added, it's time to customize this block. So select the block and here you can change the block theme. Go to style section and you can change the background color from here, and you can change the text color. And now it's time to edit these FAQ questions and answers, right? So here's I opened FAQ samples on Google, and now I'm going to copy some FAQ questions from here, and simply I'm clicking on the first FAQ and replacing this question with my question. And copying the answer and pasting the answer here. Now click outside and now select the second FAQ question and I'm copying another FAQ question here and replacing it, copying the answer and replacing the answer. Now select the third FAQ question and copying another FAQ question and replacing this one and copying the answer. And now let's click on publish. And now let's view the page to see the final result. And as you can see, my FAQ is working perfectly. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.